Hello guys, this is Makbul Hussain Sheikh. So I watched the webinar from Aditya, both Aditya, and they teach us a lot of tools around AI like Perplexity and Gamma tool, which are used for generating the PowerPoint presentation. Is very good. And the second tool, which I think they create tool is to create a song for any theme which we selected. They're also nice. And the one which we unlock the research paper, that is skifihub.ri. They're also very good. Then you can unlock the anything through the Chrome extension, mail it in Chrome extension. Uh, for any summation of any articles. Also, I like the tool for downloading any costly or uh, any any books which are not available free. So libgen.is and other also I like the tool called Yodlee, so which can we can create a job interviews and presentation as list. And last but not the least, which are a tool which are like Gemini, Google Tom, which for AI creation for coding as well as the coding correction is Black AI. This all tool are very good, very nice, and thanks for uh, give us this information in the webinar. Thank you very much.